This video is going to show you how you change the battery with the SafeLogic series, basic or backlit. You can tell the basic or backlit because it has a stainless steel housing. It also has the battery compartment over here at the 5 o'clock position. So what you do here is when it's in its locked position, you just grasp this and pull it forward, and it pulls back this little keeper, and then you can slide this battery compartment out of the bottom of the keypad here. And then you simply change the battery. When you get a new battery, you'll see that the battery can only be installed one way. There's a large slot and a small slot. So when you put the battery in, it'll work that way. It won't work the opposite way. So it can only go in one way. And then we simply slide it back up and snap down the latch, and we're back in business. The battery can be dead for years and years and years without it losing its code. The codes are stored in non-volatile memory in the lock body inside the safe. So the battery is really only there to send information from the keypad to the lock body. Simple to change the battery on a SafeLogic series.